1.
Hello, this is E Lox. For part 5 of the training videos, we're going to teach you how to replace the mortise. First thing you need to do is remove the screw that holds the battery cover. Once you have that cover removed, you'll be able to take out the 4 screws that hold the back part and the front part together. Now you can separate the back part from the front part. Make sure you disconnect all your connections. Battery and mortise to reader. And set aside. The next step is we need to remove the handle pins. For this you have to hold one side firm and rotate the other one counterclockwise to unscrew. After a couple of turns, give it a pull to make sure they're disconnected and pull them aside. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have to remove the 2 screws holding the cylinder together. After that's done, just give the cylinder push from one side and pull from the other one. It should come right off. Set aside. The last step is remove the 2 screws holding the mortise to your door frame. Pull your mortise out, replace it with a new one, and reverse the steps.